Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you are all doing very well and nice to see you all again here. Today I'm sharing a unique recipe. It's a non-veg recipe. We are going to make curry leaves chicken. Sounds interesting, isn't it? Curry leaves are so flavorful and we all know that they are loaded with nutrition. It is said that this curry leaf plant is a God's gift to the mankind. It's mentioned in a lot of ancient books, also religious books. So no wonder the vegetable vendors, when we buy vegetables, they don't charge for curry leaves. They just give us 2-3 sprigs free. So, but of course in the stores they are charging nowadays. When we buy in a grocery store, we do pay for them. Anyway, nevertheless, coming back to the recipe, this recipe is very delicious with the flavors of curry leaves, and some onion goes into it, some coriander leaves, spices, all these make this curry very, very delicious. You're going to love it. You can enjoy it with rice or chapatis also. Parathas and chapatis go very well too. So shall we proceed to make this curry? Curry leaves chicken. This preparation is unique and very delicious, made with tender and flavorful curry leaves along with onion and spices. This surely is going to win your hearts. Make and enjoy with rice or rotis. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 500 grams of chicken with the bones, and here we have cashew nut and cream paste ground together. 3 onions boiled, 1 cup of tender curry leaves, a small bunch of coriander leaves about half cup, ginger and garlic, 4 green tomatoes, 3 green chillies, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. The ingredients list also can be checked in the description box. Now these are the grinding ingredients. We will grind them coarsely. Curry leaves and coriander leaves, green tomatoes, ginger, garlic, green chilies, and the boiled onion pieces. Transfer them into the grinding jar and grind it to a coarser texture. Little coarser than the chutney. Don't blend it to a smooth paste. Now heat oil in a pan. Preferably take a heavy bottomed pan. Once the oil is hot, transfer the ground masala paste into it. Now we are going to saute this. Place a lid and intermittently open it and keep stirring. This takes about 4 to 5 minutes until the oil starts to separate. You can see it's getting cooked also. The water is dried up and the color also is changed. Add little salt and the spice powders except garam masala powder, coriander, cumin and turmeric powders. Give them a nice stir. Again cover and simmer it a bit so that the flavors are infused into the masala. Now you can dip in the chicken pieces. Now we are going to saute this chicken. Cover the lid, cook it a little, time to time open the lid and stir it. Continue doing this for about 4 to 5 minutes until the oil starts separating. Now you can see all the water is also dried up. You can see the oil separated. Chicken pieces also have changed the color. Now add the water. I'm adding about 1 cup of water. Later also, if you want, you can adjust the gravy. We'll start simmering now. On low flame, cover and cook it. In between, don't forget to open the lid and give it a stir, so that all the sides of the chicken get cooked evenly. Check the salt. Add if required. Give it a nice stir. Mix everything and continue cooking. After about 10 or 12 minutes, open the lid and check if the chicken is done by inserting a knife. It's nearly done, little more to go. Time depends again upon the tenderness of the chicken and the size of the chicken pieces. Now towards the end, you add the cashew nut and cream paste. I'm adding 1 heaped tablespoon. Give it a stir to mix everything properly. This paste is really handy. I always make and keep it so that you can use it in the curries. You can freeze it for a long time. Finally, add the garam masala powder as needed. Cover it and cook it for 1 or 2 boils. After adding the cream, you should not overcook it. The curry is ready. You can adjust the gravy to your liking. Delicious. Serve it with rice or rotis, whatever you like, and enjoy this flavorful curry leaf chicken. It's very unique dish. I'm sure you are going to like it a lot. Do share the feedback when you make, and stay tuned for the next recipe. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.